Hello everyone, my name is Sam. Today I'm going to tell you my story about Peppa Pig. Do you know what it is? Yes, it's Hiccups. Peppa Pig Hiccups. Today, Peppa and George are drinking orange juice. Peppa, George, don't drink orange juice so fast or you get hiccups. George has a hiccup. George, let's go in the garden. I know where to get away hiccups. First, we need to spin around. We need to turn around 3 times. Good. Now wave your arms and turn around. Peppa's idea did not work. I have another idea. First, spin around. Next, clap your hands. And the third is jumping. This idea is not making George hiccups disappear. Mommy and Daddy have brought orange juice. George. Now George is drinking orange juice slowly. And Peppa said, I can drink orange juice as fast as I want. Really? Yes. Now watch this. Peppa has got a hiccup.